Hey Thea, it's Melissa. How you doing tonight? So I wanted to take a minute and shoot over that video that we talked about, showing you what I do and some ways that you can really improve your website and help you to beat out your competitors online. So I'm going to go through and do a website audit and basically just show you some ways that will bring you the most value and ways you can start outranking your competition. So the first thing I want to talk about is content. So when someone searches for, say, nail salon Oviedo, Google has what's called crawlers, and they crawl the internet searching and ranking those results. So they're looking for keywords and what your site should be found for, like the services that you offer and what areas you serve. Looking at your website here, it looks really great. It's pretty, has a nice layout, but it doesn't have a whole lot of content on it. And one thing I can tell you about Google and how they rank your website is they love to see a lot of content. A minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage here is really going to help you out and help you to be found using those keywords about 10 to 15 times. So if we go and do a search for nail salon Oviedo, Florida. So at the top here, this is called the map pack. So these are all the businesses that have a Google My Business page or a GMB. And I'm not sure if you guys had one. If you did, I didn't see it on the first page when I scrolled through here. So it might be on the second or third page. So ideally, you really want to be in one of these top 3 positions because obviously they're going to get the most phone calls because they're super easy to be found and you don't have to scroll to the next page or the third and fourth page in order to find you. And some ways that you can help to rank your GMB page is you can add at least 25 5-star reviews. You can add, say, 10 to 15 photos in your GMB. And also you want to add like a lot of content in your About Me section with those keywords that we talked about. And then when you keep scrolling down, this is called the organic section. So you want to be in the top 3 of this listing as well. So you can see here the number 1 person is Bliss Nail Spa Oviedo. And they probably have a GMB up here too. Yeah, see, so they're number 1 in the GMBs and they're number 1 in the organics. So let's go take a look at their website and see what they're doing to get to that top spot. So they have a pretty nice website. It's nice and bright, has some photos here on the home page. But I can tell you right off the bat, they do not have enough content either. So it would be super easy for you to beat them out content-wise if you added that 1,500 words to your homepage. So I want to talk about why they're listed first. And I use this program called Ahrefs, and it basically goes and analyzes a website, and it lets you know what they're doing on the back end to see what you're up against so you can know what you need to do in order to beat them out and get above them in the rankings. So when we pull up their website in here, they have a 13 for the UR and a 0.6 for the DR. So these numbers are super important. The UR is basically a trust rating. This is how much Google trusts your site. And the DR rating is how powerful your site is. So these numbers are typically raised by backlinks. Now you might be wondering what the heck a backlink is, right? So a backlink is any article, website, or blog that's referring people back to your website. So Google basically just sees it as a popularity contest. The more people that are referencing your website URL, the more they're going to see it as being powerful and trustworthy, and they're going to kick it up to the top of the rankings and put you in the number 1 position. So if we look at their numbers, they have 41 backlinks coming from 17 referring domains, and 5 of those are really powerful sites. So that's a lot of the reason too why they're on the top position of the Google page, because they have some powerful backlinks. They have 171 keywords, and they have over 200 people that are finding them. So this is how many people that are coming to their website per month, the organic traffic. So if you go and look and see exactly what keywords they have, if you look at this volume column right here, this is how many people are searching for this specific keyword per month. So Nails Oviedo is getting searched 250 times a month. Nail Salon Oviedo 200 times a month. So people are typing into Google Nails Oviedo 250 times a month according to Google Analytics. Nail Salon Oviedo, Florida is 100 times. So those are some pretty high search volumes for these specific keywords that are listed on their site. So that's a lot of the reason why they are pushed to the top of that Google page, that combined with the backlinks that we just talked about. So we go and look and put your website in here. It looks like you don't even show up for the UR or DR rating at all. And a lot of that's just because you don't have any backlinks that are bringing people back to your website. And you only have 2 keywords and 0 people are coming to your site per month organically at all. So we go ahead, let's see what, you only have 2 keywords, but let's see what they are. So Super Nails in Oviedo, that's getting searched 10 times a month, and Honeycoated Nail Spa. So that's basically just your company name. So that doesn't really do much for you either. So I just kind of wanted to go over and show you what you're doing with your website and give you some ways that you can help it out and get some more traffic to you so you can get some more business in the door through your website alone. So if you could just go and put, say, 1,500 words of content, including those keywords we talked about, on your homepage, maybe grab some backlinks in order to beat out this guy, I think you'd really be in good shape and you can start getting on the first page of Google and get some more traffic into your site. Thea, I hope this helped you out and you can implement some of these strategies. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions and we can talk about it at our next nail appointment. All right, have a great night, hun. Bye.